Hello everyone, good day. My name is Sandy Kebali at this IT2E. So today we are going to create Lab 6 about inter-process communication. First, we will create a program that uses pipe communication between two processes. First, we will open a new terminal and we will use command nanopipe.c. Then, irarun po natin siya. Then, ito po yung nagawa kong code. Sa code na ito, the parent writing the message and child reads the message. And next, we will create a program implementing shared memory using command nano implement.c. Tapos po, irarun po natin siya using command gcc-o implement, then implement.c. And next naman po, /implement. So, ayan po yung output niya. And next, we write command nano sender.c. Then, irarun po natin siya. And ito po yung ginawa kong code. And ipaparun po natin siya using command gcc-0 sender.c. And next, /sender and next. And ayan po yung lalabas yung message na magta-type po tayo ng GHS. Tapos lalabas din po yung GHS. And next naman po, we write nano receiver.c. And ayan po yung output na lalabas. And ipaparun po natin siya using command gcc-o receiver and receiver.c. And next po, /receiver. So, lalabas po yung child parent to child and parent child to parent. And next naman po, we write the command nanosync.c and lalabas po yung output. And ipaparun po natin siya using command gcc-o sync and sync.c. And next naman po, /sync. And ayan na po yung output na lalabas. And this program po, nag-demonstrate siya ng synchronization between parent and child process using Semaphores po. So, ayun na po. Thank you.